Kalimera, and welcome to our new lesson of modern Greek. Can you already speak it? Can you read it? I'm sure you can a little bit. Today's lesson, a very important one, although it may not seem like that at this moment, trust me, it is. It's an important step into learning more complicated things. And it's gender of nouns. In modern Greek, there are 3 genders: masculine, feminine, and neuter. If you're an English speaker, you'll say, what? What's happening? It's very important to learn it. It may give you a headache before you learn it, but when you're done with it, and I promise it's very simple, it will make your life so much easier. Masculine nouns always end in os, as, or is. Ita sigma. So any S is probably masculine. Of course, these are just rules, and rules always have exceptions. So learn it, but you can always expect something else. If you can't remember, you can always associate these endings with Greek names. I'm sure you know some. Maybe Nikos, maybe Yannis, maybe Andreas. Or let's check some other nouns, masculine gender, like philos, a friend, or phititis, a student, or andras, a man or husband. Okay, so this is it. Os, as, is, masculine nouns. Let's go to feminine nouns. All feminine nouns end in a or I. Ita. Be careful, it's ita, because there are other e's in Greek, remember? Alpha or eta, usually. So there are some little exceptions, but this is it. Associated with Greek names, Maria, Eleni. Or learn some other words. For example, mitera, mom, or phili, a friend, a female friend. Okay? Philos before was a male friend. Phili, girlfriend or a female friend. Nouns that are neuter gender end in o, omicron, I, iota, or mi, alpha, ma. For example, αυγό, egg, σπίτι, house, or πρόβλημα. Do you know what πρόβλημα is? I'm sure you know. Πρόβλημα, a problem. And that's all. Just learn that, and I promise from here, things get interesting. Because you're such good students, my gift to you today is a short dialogue. Finally, we will read it, we will translate it, and we will learn the words and expressions and sentences. So Kostas and Maria are at the airport. Στο αεροδρόμιο. Kalimera, Maria. Γεια σου Κώστα, τι κάνεις? Μια χαρά, εσύ? Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Πού μένεις τώρα Κώστα? Μένω στο Παγράτη. Εσύ? Μένω στην Πλάκα. Περιμένεις και εσύ το αεροπλάνο από την Ιταλία? Ναι, περιμένω την Τζούλια. Let's translate it. Στο αεροδρόμιο. At the airport. Be careful. Στο can have different meanings. In, on, at. But it's not the only one. There are other words that can mean in, on, at, and so on. So be careful. Here, because aerodromio is neuter gender, we say sto. Okay, sto aerodromio. Be careful with the. Aerodromio. Say it many times. Kalimera, Maria. Γεια σου Κώστα. Τι κάνεις? I'm sure you remember that. Kalimera, Maria. Good day, Maria. Γεια σου Κώστα. Hello Costa. Τι κάνεις? Τι means what. Κάνω is a verb which means do. Τι κάνεις? What do you do? But be careful. It actually means how are you? What? It means what's up, what's happening, what's new. So when somebody asks you τι κάνεις, you will say καλά or etiketi or όχι καλά, something like that. So you answer how you are. And Costa says μια χαρά. It means very, very good. Wow, great. Εσύ, you, Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Good, thank you. Πού μένεις τώρα, Κώστα? Πού means where. Μένεις, you live. Μένω, I live. Μένεις, you live. Where you live τώρα, now. Where do you live now, Κώστα? Μένω στο Παγράτη. I live στο Παγράτη, in Παγράτη. It's a part of Athens. Εσύ, you. Μένω στην Πλάκα. I live in Plaka. Plaka is another part of Athens. See how we say στην Plaka. And up there we had στο αεροδρόμιο. We will learn it later. Just know it's not always the same word. Στο, στην, sti, στο. There are different words, but we'll learn that. Don't worry. Περιμένεις και εσύ το αεροπλάνο από την Ιταλία? Περιμένω means wait. Περιμένεις, you wait. Περιμένω, I wait. Περιμένεις, you wait. Κι or και means and, also. Εσύ, you. Περιμένεις και εσύ? Are you also waiting? Do you also wait? Περιμένεις και εσύ? Το αεροπλάνο, I'm sure you know αεροπλάνο. Airplane. Από την Ιταλία. Από την, from, Ιταλία. Italy. Περιμένεις και εσύ το αεροπλάνο από την Ιταλία? Ναι. Περιμένω την Τζούλια. Yes. I'm waiting for Julie or Julia. Julia. What do you think? Hard or not hard? Tell me what you think. Please practice many times. Καλημέρα Μαρία. Γεια σου Κώστα. Τι κάνεις? Μια χαρά. Εσύ? Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Πού μένεις τώρα Κώστα? Μένω στο Παγράτη. Εσύ? Μένω στην Πλάκα. Περιμένεις και εσύ το αεροπλάνο από την Ιταλία? Ναι, περιμένω την Τζούλια. So they are at the airport, waiting for Julia. Both of them haven't seen each other for a while. Like, where do you live now? Oh, I live in Pagradi. You? So just a casual meeting at the airport, exchanging a few hellos and how are yous. I don't know if I ever told you this, but question mark in Greek is this. I know, but it's fun, right? So this is it for today. You learned the genders of nouns, very easy, and we learned the first dialogue, Kostas and Maria at the airport. Let's see what happens next. Tell us in the comments how you like it, tell us what you'd like to see more, and tell us if you can understand everything and learn it properly. Don't forget to join my classes, message us if you're interested, and I hope I'll see you soon and talk to you soon, and yasas!